watching this YouTuber called XX Toxic Creeper. XX, he's like the best YouTuber in. Wait, what? That was the door. Let's go check who it is. Stairs. Okay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. Oh look, a parcel. For XX Toxic Creeper from YouTube. Well, let's get it to my room and open it up. Here's the parcel, and let's open it up. Okay, starting recording. Hey guys, it's your friend Toxic Creeper. In this video, I'm going to unbox my 100 subscriber play button. It is for me from YouTube, as you can see, the logo right there, and let's unbox it up. So I'm just going to open it up right now. Open up. I'm going to get this bubble wrap out. Okay, now it's time to get the play button out, ladies and gentlemen. The play button for 100 subscribers. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Wrapped in that poppy stuff, whatever it's called. Okay. Well, let's open this thing up for a grand reveal. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. My 100 subscriber play button. Thank you so much, everybody, for 100 subscribers. Here's my play button. Congratulations for surpassing 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. And I'll see you later. Stay creepy, my friends. Woo!